Hello everyone, in this video I will review Firebase. Firebase is a Google's cloud-based platform that offers tools for building and managing web and mobile apps, with its database services, like Firestone and the real-time database being standout features. It's popular among developers because it's fast, scalable, and easy to integrate into projects without needing to manage your own server infrastructure. The real-time database is great for apps that need instant data sync, like chat apps or live tracking, while Firestore offers more advanced querying and better structure for complex data. Firebase also includes extras like authentication, hosting, cloud functions, and analytics, making it a complete backend solution. Its free tier is generous for small projects, but cost can grow quickly for high-traffic apps, and it's less flexible compared to running your own database. For startups, hobby projects, or even large-scale apps that need speed and simplicity, Firebase can well worth it, especially if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.